Tanse noach maganag. Migeso nenit segasun. Welcome to the schoolyard.
Oh, look! The delivery trucks are here. We need to help them deliver supplies to the school. That's it! If we get reusable ones, we won't have to throw them away.
We've got lots of boxes from all those deliveries. We gotta reuse them. If I told you about reusing water bottles, would that be called a refresher?
Let's pick up this litter and put it where it belongs. Oh, hey, that's not garbage. That can be recycled instead of thrown in the garbage.
Ah, it's nice and fresh up here.
That's the last one. Now that is one clean pond.
Wow, you have really turned the schoolyard around. Egose, nenanaskoman.
Yeah!